Hi everyone, myself Avni and my son he's been studied in MDN Future School from past year and completed his first grade there. And today I would like to share about my views about MDN Future School. Firstly, I have seen there are a lot of changes in him, and coming to talk about the school, a wide range of exposure has been happened, and not only the book knowledge they have gained, but the outer knowledge like GK, and they have given lot of exposure about making videos of different concepts, example like art and craft, or talking about tree and making a video about a tree, like how are the plants, leaves, and what are the roots, etc. And their teaching level is up to the mark, and it is being satisfied me the standards of theirs. And one more thing is, like, I like the assembly especially because they had chosen some unique topics about it, and that the children who are being getting a lot of GK knowledge and getting new ideas like how to explain. And one more thing is, they may get that stage fearlessness will happen, like, if they keep doing things in assembly, they may get less fear about like talking to the people around them, etc. And coming to the other topics, like regarding the teachers, teachers were like very open minded, and they were like available all time, like whatever the queries being asked by the students or by ourselves, they are like clearly explained as whatever it is. And they have given a lot of knowledge also, and they have conducted some fun activity, not only like taking only about talking about only about the class. No, it's not been happened there. They have given a lot of new ideas, like they have given like fun conducting classes had been held by teachers, and which made the students not only gain the knowledge about what is there in book, but not but also like outer knowledge like GK and other things also. And I don't know much about it, about MDN, because it's just been a year. So, and there were only the online classes which my son was attended. So I don't know much about the other exposure regarding the sports or cultural activities. But I do get a lot of mails about the inter competition, about the general knowledge and other maths, etc. But these are all being held with them, and they were quite good about it. And these are my reviews. Thank you. Thanks a lot.